Here comes the rain. Oh yeah, it's pouring now. Yep, it's pouring. Oh yeah. It's hard to see. Let's take a look at the puddle there. It's pouring. And it says over today we're gonna get some thunderstorms. Yep, it's pouring. Got a few rumbles of thunder. Better stay inside. Yep, that was lightning. Here comes the thunder. It's a few miles away. There it is. Yep. There goes the church sirens. Here it comes. Oh yeah. It's a good storm coming. And watch these birds over here. Idiot birds. As soon as that siren went off, they flew. Yep, now it's pouring. It is pouring, folks. It's pouring. It's pouring now. Oh, yep, it's not pouring. Oh, yeah. Ooh, that was good lightning. Here comes the thunder. Maybe one of these birds. I think it's about to go inside now.